Spectrum internet drops are frustrating, but often fixable. In 2025, common causes are still related to your modem's signal levels and router settings. Spectrum's hybrid fiber coaxial HFC network can be susceptible to signal issues. Ideally, your downstream power levels should be between -7 and +7 dBmV. Signal noise ratio SNR should be above 33 dBs. Router issues, like outdated firmware or Wi-Fi interference, are also frequent culprits. Recent Spectrum infrastructure upgrades, fiber to the home or FTTH, have reduced these drops in some areas. Let's troubleshoot. First, check your modem's signal levels by accessing its admin panel, often at 192.168.100.1. If levels are outside the 9 to 7 to +7 dBmV range for downstream power, or SNR is below 33 dB, contact Spectrum support or check your coax cables and splitters for damage and make sure they are properly connected. Next, for your router, ensure its firmware is up to date. Optimize your Wi-Fi channel selection, manually setting it to channels 1, 6, or 11 on the 2.4 GHz band to avoid interference. Consider using quality of service QoS settings to prioritize bandwidth for important devices. Upgrading to a mesh Wi-Fi system can also improve whole home coverage and reduce drop zones. In many cases, addressing these modem levels and router settings will fix 70 to 80% of drop issues.